Hey there, my name is Ben Keeling and I'd like to welcome you to my class, an introduction to Substance for Environment Art. I've been working in the games industry for over 6 years as a senior environment artist on games including the Need for Speed franchise, Sony VR Worlds and most recently Halo Wars 2. During that time I've worked at studios like EA, Creative Assembly and Rocksteady in London. Substance is the most commonly used texturing software in AAA development and the ticket to improving your 3D projects and portfolio. With my introduction, we will build on our knowledge in the program, so you have all the tools you need to create excellent 3D artwork. We will start with creating simple geometric patterns and becoming familiar with the UI of both Substance Painter and Substance Designer. We will learn how to bake from high to low poly to aid us in the texturing process across the course. In the later weeks, we'll delve deeper into Substance Designer, learning the process of creating both pattern-based and organic materials. We'll tackle all aspects of material creation, first by breaking down the height maps and normals, before learning colour and roughness textures. We will learn how to create an asset texturing pipeline in Designer, before moving into prop texturing using Substance Painter, both using provided game-ready assets. In the advanced version of my course, we will learn the context of our material creation by importing our textures into Unreal Engine 4. We'll learn the process of setting up master shaders, including vertex blends, and exposing our own parameters to drive interesting effects for our 3D worlds. We'll round up learning how to present and render our final materials and texturing assets in interesting and striking ways. I hope by the end of the course you'll have a good body of work that you will be happy to present on your own portfolio. Each session will be a step-by-step guide into a new topic, first explaining and breaking down the main takeaways for the upcoming sessions before putting into practice good substance execution. At the end of each session you will receive weekly assignments that allow you to elaborate on the current topic and explore and understand its details. You will receive individual feedback on your submissions, where I'll provide critique and support on how to improve your work and answer any questions to help solve problems. In our weekly sessions, we will have a live Q&A workshop where I'll be able to answer any further questions. In these sessions, I will also be on hand to create relevant or live demonstrations to extend your learning. Substance is a fast learning curve which takes a lot of experience to perfect. Hopefully with my help you'll be able to understand its quirks and unleash its full potential. If this sounds like something you're interested in, don't hesitate and sign up for the next term at cgmastersacademy.com. See you in class.